Hi beauty people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're joining us here for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a peel off mask that would help you in removing all those dead cells on your skin that is actually making your skin look darker than what it used to be. So invariably it's just going to leave your skin evenly toned and lighter. All right, so if you want to know what comprises of my skin lightening peel off mask, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. The very first ingredients I'm gonna be needing for this skin lightening peel off mask will be potato. Potato contains an ingredient that helps to lighten up the skin, and it also glow up and tighten up large and open pores. Using potato alongside with this other natural ingredients would help to leave your skin naturally lightened and glowing. All right, the whole essence of this video is to tone up your skin and have one color everywhere. Okay, so if you're actually having dark face, you can use this treatment on your face. Okay, so it would even it out. And the next ingredient I'm gonna be needing will be milk. All right, you can actually use a powdered milk, but if you don't have unsweet, a liquid one, but anyone you do have, it's okay. All right, milk contains a lactic acids which helps to glow and polish up the skin, and it also helps to maintain a younger looking skin. It helps in removing wrinkles and fine lines. Using milk in this skin lightening peel off mask would be so ideal, so to smooth out and make your skin look even younger. All right, so the next ingredients I'm gonna be needing for this treatment will be rice. All right, you can actually use a rice powder if you do have the rice powder. This is the powdered one. I blended this particular one, but for this treatment I'm gonna be using the raw rice. I'm gonna be cooking it. Okay, so rice contains a lightening agent that helps to lighten up the skin. Rice has been used long ago for a beauty regime that helps to polish up the skin and leave the skin looking younger and radiant, and then it would maintain a glowing and polished skin. Okay, all right, so the last ingredient we're gonna be needing for this will be whitening glycerin. But if you don't have this glycerin, you can use the normal glycerin, but the difference is that this actually lightens up the skin more than this, but this tones and gradually lighten up the skin also. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this for this treatment. Whitening glycerin helps to remove tan from the skin. It helps to peel off dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and newer skin. Okay, so using whitening glycerin alongside with this natural ingredients would help so much in polishing and removing pigments on your skin. Okay, so let's mix all our ingredients together. Guys, I'm gonna go boil this and blend, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just poured the rice into a clean pot. I poured in water, and I'm going to be boiling it for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can be very soft. Now I'm going to be pouring it into a blender alongside with the rice water so it can enable me blend. All right, so I'm going to be blending it for like 2 minutes so I can get a very smooth and fine paste. All right, so it can enable me mix all ingredients together. Here is my blended rice, and I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of that into the bowl. Potato, I will just have to peel it. Okay, we are freaking used to, peeling stuff with our hand and not keeping it on a chopstick or chopboard. Okay, so I'm gonna be peeling the peel off, cutting it into 4 pieces, and now I'll be pouring in a little bit of water and I'll be boiling it, and I would also be blending it. Alright guys, just to show you how I did this. Alright, so I'm gonna be boiling the potato for like 10 to 15 minutes so it can be really soft. All right, now I'm gonna be pouring everything, both the water, into the blender, and after that I'm gonna be blending it. All right, I have to blend it really soft and really smooth so it can, go well on the skin. The potato, and I'm gonna be taking 1 tablespoon of that. I don't need too much of that. Okay, so I'm gonna be pouring that into the bowl. And for the milk, I'll be taking half tablespoon of that, then I'll be pouring that into the bowl. The whitening glycerin, this is very important. Okay, I'll take half teaspoon, and then I'll pour that into the treatment. I would be stirring this all up, okay, to give us a fine paste. Okay, you have to stir and stir very well so it can mix really well. Okay, so I just love to stir things and turn it so it can actually mix really well. And this is a very good and perfect consistency. Okay, alright, so now how you're gonna apply this is that you're gonna take this treatment and then you're gonna spread it through your face, through your neck, through your body, whichever place you want to spread this treatment on. You spread it in a very lighter, not too light shade. Okay, spread it on, but not too thick so it could dry quickly, because if it's thick it's not going to dry quickly. So you spread it on. For me, I just love to, apply natural things using my hands. Okay, so you spread it on your skin, just like this treatment on your skin. You can, wait for it to dry like really well, and then you peel it off. But if you don't want it to give you a little bit of pain, because when you're peeling it off it's going to pain a little. Okay, so when it dry you can either wash it off or peel it off. Okay, alright, so you don't necessarily need to store this treatment because it's gonna dry off, so you don't have to store it. Alright, but if you must store it, you have to put it in a refrigerator, and when you want to apply it you can add up a little bit of milk in it, and then you stir it all up again, then you apply it. But if you don't want to store it, fine, perfect, so you make a new one when you want to apply a new one. Okay, so you apply this treatment like every day on your skin. Within a couple of days you are gonna be seeing a great result, because it's gonna help you enlighten up your skin. It's gonna also help you to remove dead skin cells. Your skin is gonna be brighter and more lighter. Okay, So basically guys, the essence of this is just to remove all of that dead stuff going on your skin, and it's just going to lighten you up even more. Okay, so if you did love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please drop all your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye guys, and stay beautiful. Mwah.